So we've established that if the Sun expanded into a red giant, Earth would be vaporized along with every other planet in the solar system. But what if a far more friendly visitor came crashing down instead? What if the Moon, our steadfast companion since the dawn of Earth, slammed into our planet? Buckle up, because this scenario paints a grim picture of the end of Earth as we know it. It all begins with a chill. Astronomers around the world stare at their screens, eyes wide with disbelief. Calculations they've run 1,000 times over have finally borne a terrifying fruit. The Moon, the celestial body that has silently watched over humanity for billions of years, is on a collision course with Earth. Within hours, the media is ablaze with the news. Governments around the world go into a frenzy. Is there anything we can do to stop it? Citizens are gripped with fear, rushing to the streets, craning their necks to see the approaching moon, which appears unnaturally large in the sky. It's as if the cosmos itself is playing out a cosmic joke, one with very grim implications. At first, the impact seems almost slow motion. Satellites in Earth's orbit begin to tremble. Oceans surge and recede in dramatic fashion, pulling away from the land. The moon, once a beacon of romance and poetry, now looms ominously, casting distorted shadows over the cities below. As the moon draws closer, scientists desperately propose solutions, firing off rockets to nudge it away. But each passing hour brings the moon closer, and these efforts prove futile. Days turn into a nightmare-ish montage of escalating disasters. Earthquakes of unimaginable force shake continents. Tidal waves hundreds of meters high smash into coastlines, obliterating everything in their path. Volcanic eruptions, long dormant, ignite one by one, spewing ash and smoke into the air. The sky becomes choked with smoke, mirroring the fiery chaos below. The air grows heavy with the smell of sulfur as the veil between the Earth's core and the surface thins. Molten rock boils, creating rivers of fire that cut through cities, leaving behind landscapes that resemble something out of a post-apocalyptic movie. As the moon looms larger and larger, the world descends into panic. Highways are abandoned, choked with abandoned vehicles. People flee inland, away from the encroaching water. But there is no escape. The very ground beneath their feet trembles in anticipation of the coming impact. By the time the moon is just a few kilometers from Earth, entire cities are swallowed by floods, their towering buildings reduced to rubble. Power stations collapse, plunging the world into darkness. The global network of communication goes dead as the onslaught of tidal waves continues relentlessly. And then the impact, a blinding flash followed by a deafening roar as the moon crashes into Earth, shaking the planet to its core. Shock waves circle the globe at incredible speeds, collapsing mountains and boiling oceans. A molten rain of debris shoots up into the sky, forming a thick cloud of pulverized rock. In an instant, the sky is filled with falling debris. It rains down on the scorched surface, giving the twilight world a hellish glow. For a brief moment, there is silence, the gentle lull before the next cataclysm. The rotation of the Earth itself is knocked off kilter, causing violent shifts in the atmosphere. Winds spiral into gigantic hurricanes, tearing across the planet. The full force of the impact gradually reveals itself. Entire mountain ranges are flattened. The ocean boiled and vaporized in places, creating enormous steam clouds. The sky is choked with ash and dust, blotting out the sun and casting the world into an eerie twilight. Any humans left alive struggle to breathe, their lungs burning from the dust. They huddle together, witnessing the death throes of the planet, the ground beneath them still trembling from the impact's aftershocks. Civilization, which took millennia to build, is undone in a blink of an eye. Great works of engineering lie in ruins, crumbled by forces beyond human comprehension. In the aftermath, the silence is deafening. The moon, or what remains of it, has become part of Earth. Its presence hangs heavy, a stark reminder of the apocalypse that has just transpired. The world is in a state of limbo, thrown into chaos and hurtling towards an uncertain future. The Earth's axis is permanently altered, throwing the planet into a new and unpredictable climate regime. The sky is a perpetual twilight, devoid of the sun's comforting light. Humanity, if it has survived at all, is forced to confront a new reality, one that is alien and hostile. We can only hope that we will be up for the task. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.